Good morning, everyone. And I'm just making my instant tea from Chayos. And this is how the room looks. I still have to pack all the camera gear and some medicines. And then this is my back tail bag. Still need to pack. And this all I have to do: get ready and leave in about half an hour. So see you all when I start the ride.
Hello and good morning on a beautiful cloudy afternoon. Well, morning from Chhatrapati, Sambhajinagar, and I am all set to start the ride from here to Indore. Let's see what the time is, around 10:53. Everything is in good shape to start the ride, including the bike. So let's start. Om Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Har Har Mahadev. Om Shri Raghavendraya Namaha. Aurangabad is a beautiful city. I really loved staying here, and the people are really warm and welcoming. And so I really will come back. Wow, V-Storm has become a lot smoother for me to ride. This says I have about 434 kilometers and I'll reach by 7:30. I have about 6.5 hours of ride. But more so looks like hi. Yeah, people like I said are amazing, man. It's really, I mean, the kind of people I have met on this journey, not everything I got them on camera. Oh, but people are really supportive and welcoming. The weather is okay, not too bad. It's about 29-30 degrees. The thing about Aurangabad is the roads are really clean and there isn't a lot of dust or anything. No road repairs, no construction, unlike Bangalore. Some kind of a building that is mostly something like mostly an administrative building of government of some sorts. Oh, there's a decathlon right here, but I didn't need anything else. Alright, I'll clear the city and then restart this. I am starting from my Zostel in Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar. I will have to cross the city and I'm taking the route via Dhule. So I have to take a right near a place called Pacha Piparwadi, and then I have to keep going. It's a apparently good route across throughout and over a lot of plains and villages, and then I'll enter Madhya Pradesh. So via Madhya Pradesh I'll go through a few different plains, like after I cross Dhule there is Songir, and after Songir I'll go via a place called Dhabashi and Dahiwad, Sangvi, and then I'd enter into Madhya Pradesh, Borghat. After Borghat I'll be going over a few kilometers to a place called Thikri, and after Thikri I am almost there. It's not going to be a very long ride like what it was yesterday. And after Tigri, I'm a few hours away from my Zostel in Indore, and not too far. And the Zostel is also located very easy in and out of Indore. It's not too difficult. There's a kind of outer ring road which I planned, and I will go through Zostel. So I had a great breakfast. I had Missal Pav. It was really good. I wanted to taste the way Missal Pav is locally, and there was this local taste to it that I don't get in Bangalore. So I left Sambhajinagar. I started around 11 a.m. and I got a little late, and I thought I'll prioritize sleep over time because it's not a long ride, so I don't have to do a lot of rides. It's about 450 kilometers. So even if I start at 11, I should reach by 8 o'clock, worst case, or 8:30 with all the stops around. So there's something about leaving this place like Sambhajinagar, also called Aurangabad, named after the Mughal emperor, and yet older than the name, older than the empire. The city held gates to Ellora and Ajanta, as you know. And I didn't stay long this time. I really wanted to explore the city, but I'll return with time in hand and more space in my mind. So I started out. The ride is looking good. Bike is smooth and amazing as usual, and I'm keeping at speed of 90, 100, 110, and I don't want to do too much speeds either. I really want to enjoy this ride, enjoy this journey, and it's little getting hot. Temperature showing me around 38, 39 degrees, and it is expected to go over 45 degrees. I'm also probably riding during this heat wave time, and I'm riding in that peak heat, but not a problem. I've had electrolytes, and I'm having one electrolyte in the morning right after I wake up, and one after I complete the ride, and lots of water in between.
Many tolls every 100 or 120 kilometers or so, and the fees is not cheap. It's like 100 to 200 bucks every toll. By the time you're done with 10 tolls, you're paid anywhere from 1500 to 2500 in toll charges. So in that way, I consider biking is a good option, because there are no tolls, nothing. You don't have to pay for anything. Oh wow, we're welcomed by eunuchs. Hello, thank you for not stopping me. I can't close the visor, guys. I know the mic gets a lot of wind noise, but if I close the visor, I don't have no ventilation, and I can't keep it closed for too long. Roads are beautiful. Street, wow! Look at the view, guys. Look at the view. I mean, it's so beautiful. I don't know how much of it is coming in this video, but the road, the view, video, the road, everything's awesome. It's the same route to go to Ellora, but we're not going to stop it on this route, but maybe on the way back, I might need to stop. So I let my phone charge a bit, so I've kept it here on the mount, but after some time I'll put it back in my pocket. Beautiful weather, man, beautiful road. It's amazing. It is 32 degrees, but I'm not feeling anything. Thanks to the sun is not brightly shining on you, plus the air is cold. So it's good weather. Yeah, so the weather is not very hot. I was saying, I'm sorry, I didn't realize I had my visor open. Maybe there was a lot of wind you guys didn't hear. The sun isn't too bright. There is no sun shining. It's cloudy. Although it is 32 degrees centigrade in temperature, I'm not feeling the heat. One thing is I have ventilated my pant and opened the vents on my pant and jacket, and I've not zipped it. At the same time, the air itself is cooler, at least as of now. Maybe when the region changes, that might change as well. But otherwise, it's a beautiful day to ride so far, and I'm loving every bit of it. The way, especially the way V-Storm is riding and gliding through all things on the road. Suddenly, from a 4-lane, it became 2-lane road. I don't know why, but nevertheless, it is still a good road, and there isn't too much traffic on the road either. It's pretty cool. Smooth sailing so far. let her stretch her legs, and I will keep a steady 100, maybe 110. Wow, Mumbai is only 1 kilometer from here. The board is wrong. One of the board said Mumbai is 1 kilometer from Aurangabad. So definitely somebody pranked the guy who was making the board probably. Oh, there is a Mumbai in 500 meters. Do you guys see the board? I don't know if you guys can see the board. How is it possible? Somebody has oh, it's Mumbai Express Highway is 500 meters. So we are going to go straight. We are not going to go Nagpur or Mumbai or go towards Dhule. And cross Maharashtra and enter into the next state, Madhya Pradesh. Then to Uttar Pradesh. Come on.
Wow, what a beautiful view. There's a solar farm right there. And yeah, I've just come this way. It's a beautiful and amazing view. Maharashtra is so beautiful, man. Thinking how big the solar farm is. It's almost like a picnic itself. Amazing. Oh.
Now I feel like I should eat something. I'm feeling hungry and I'm not finding any restaurant. I keep going and there is nothing I could stop by and eat. Not a single good restaurant that I'm able to find. Not a decent cafe or anything remotely inviting in sight. So I stopped and I asked around, and a few locals recommended. There's a Rajasthani dhaba about 10 kilometers up ahead, just off the main road. And they were right. To my luck, I found a pure vegetarian Rajasthani dhaba just off the main road, and it was amazing. I had roti and curry, and it was, beautiful. I had about 4 buttermilk. Uh, I was very thirsty, and lots of water, of course, and I carried enough water for me. for the trip, for the ride, and filled my water pack. And it was a peaceful, lots of tire truckers around me were eating or were, um, you know, doing their own thing. And I ate peacefully and I started back. And as I kept enjoying the landscape, as I keep seeing these beautiful views, as the landscape is changing, heat slowly starting to come down in a few hours. Even the sky is beginning to change. Sun is giving away to scattered clouds, and there were times when there was a lot of sun, and there are now times like this when there is shade. And I hit border of Madhya Pradesh. And I don't want to zone out when I'm riding these long distances, because I'm doing about 200 kilometers in a single stretch uh, right now in this particular section, because I took a longer lunch break. So I just want to make sure that I don't zone out and I stay in the moment, to stay mindful. And the best way for me to do it is to feel the heat on my body, to take a breath, to stand on my bike every now and then, while riding, of course, and find certain moments that are beautiful, like this rain that just came and went. So you don't need a line, you don't need a charter, you don't really need somebody to guide you, you don't even need a map. You just need to know, as long as you're enjoying, you don't need any extra help to stay awake.
Alright, so I have stopped for lunch. Time is around 1:43 p.m. and I still have another 266 kilometers to go. I've probably done about 170 or something, and maybe I don't know the math right now, but yeah. So it was 1990 when I 19090 have come about 130 or something, I don't know, maybe more. Okay, so that's about it, and this is the place. I'm not sure if they have air conditioning, but it shouldn't be that bad. So, have some lunch. Alright, so I'm here at a nice pure veg Rajasthani dhaba. It is about 37 degrees outside, but then I got this cold water bottle. Unfortunately, there is no AC, but however, the place is cool and it's really nice. It's also pure veg. So let me give you a tour of the place. So I guess all the truck guys come to eat here. So there are lots of trucks outside parked. Um, so I think I'm okay to eat here. The waiter was really friendly, and then gave me a water bottle for no cost. So it's pretty cool. All right, so I've ordered. So I've let him only order for me whatever good that's available. Roti and some green peas. Said is their specialty today. So I'm going to try that out. So my food has arrived. This is some mixed vegetable curry and then roti. And I also got some chas to go with it. Oh, it's very tasty. Really, really tasty and yummy. Let's see how the food is. Um, it is oily, but I guess that's how it is. I'll talk to you guys after I finish. So I got the POC emission check done. Now I'm all set, and I have all the papers now, nothing lacking. And I'll be entering Madhya Pradesh very soon. So better to get everything done. Usually near state check posts, there will be uh, police checking like this. So just make sure everything is there and everything is intact.
I am enjoying my solo ride right now. The trees are changing, the wind smells different after every 50 few kilometers or so, and suddenly you're not where you started. So I have crossed into Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, and crossed Maharashtra border, and I was thinking of making a stop for tea, and I had one of the best teas along the way. It was really wonderful.
I have about 134 kilometers range, and another 120 kilometers to go. But I'll fill up the tank just in case. Because after I enter the city, I don't know what will be the scenario. So सर फुल टैंक कर दीजिए फुल टैंक कर दीजिए Okay, so I am about 97 kilometers away. Time is 5:48 p.m. I gave too many breaks. I spent 1 hour at lunch. I thought I'd stop for half an hour, wait for some time, but I had to wait till the peak heat had to clear out. Finally, now that it is cleared, I am just about a couple of hours away, 97 kilometers, and I should reach by 8 o'clock. The weather is pretty good. Not it's hot, but it's not bad at all. As I keep moving, it's not harsh sunny either. So same pretty much the whole day. Thankfully, it was manageable. Okay, right. Let's go. Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh was so beautiful, man. It's so green. There's the mountains along the side. There are mountains, open farms, so green everywhere. The ride all throughout has been green.
And as I kept seeing it, it's become evening, and my lights are on. I did stop for refueling, and I'm just about an hour away from Indore. Now I've entered Indore. Indore is looking such a clean city. Definitely, it shows the way people ride in the city, and I was riding fast because I needed to get to the hostel, and wherever I saw clean patch of open stretch, I did 100, but I did never too much, never 130 or 140. And looks like a ring road of some sorts, and I am really enjoying this wide highway. And I'll see you when I reach the hostel. Now I've reached the hostel. Looks like this is a beautiful place. It looks like a new place. And let me go in and see how the place is. I'm gonna park my bike here. There's nobody around to open the door. Okay, let me figure this out and talk to you later.
It says there's a board here. It says the door may be closed, but we are open 24/7. Oh, okay. Okay, I'll park the bike inside here. My motorcycle. Okay, I'll do that. Oh. Okay, thank you. Okay, I'll get it from this side. This cannot be opened, no? ये ओपन नहीं कर सकते? मैं कर देता हूँ. इसमें थोड़ा बड़ा है ना, बाइक अटक जाएगा. And so there is one some sort of a community, gated community type, and inside that the area on that side also is really looking good. So this is how bike looks. How to get a wash.
So it was beautiful, and I will rest for the day now, and I'll see you all around on day 3 as I will ride to Agra.